easy go.
Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. In this video we are going to discover the planet Mars through different world records. Let's go. First record, the closest moon to a planet. Phobos, a small, irregularly shaped, dark and dusty crater-covered world, orbits 5,981 kilometers from the surface of Mars. Probably an asteroid captured by the planet's gravity, it will eventually collide with Mars, which it is approaching at the rate of 1.8 meters per century. Second record, the first spacecraft to orbit another planet. On November 14, 1971, after a 15-minute maneuver launched at 0:17 and 39 seconds UTC, Mariner 9 entered orbit around Mars. NASA and the USSR had previously launched probes to other worlds, starting with USSR-launched Venera 3, but Mariner 9 was the first mission to perform the complex maneuvers to fit into a stable orbit. The longest operating Martian orbiter is NASA's Mars Odyssey. It has been orbiting since October 24, 2001. It's been 21 years, 2 months and 8 days on January 1, 2023. It is the main communications relay for landers on the surface of Mars, such as the Curiosity rover. Third record, the first ship to land on Mars. On December 2, 1971, the Mars 3 lander, a Soviet lander, landed on the Red Planet. It deployed successfully, but stopped transmitting its data after 20 seconds. The first lander to have successfully touched Mars was Viking 1. This stationary device equipped with cameras and scientific instruments landed on July 20, 1976 and successfully completed its objectives. It remained in operation for 7 years and 85 days. Fourth record, the highest clouds in the solar system. In August 2006, thanks to ESA's Mars Express orbiter, European scientists spotted clouds located between 90 and 100 kilometers from the surface of Mars. They are composed of carbon dioxide ice crystals. Fifth record, the largest impact basin on Mars. The Hellas Basin, also called Hellas Planitia, is located in the southern hemisphere of Mars. It measures 2,299 kilometers in diameter and 7.15 kilometers in depth compared to the zero altitude of the planet. Sixth record, the biggest, dust storms. On Mars, dust storms can blanket the entire planet and last for months. These extreme climatic events pose serious difficulties for engineers designing Martian equipment. In 2018, it was such a storm that doomed the Opportunity rover. Seventh record, the first caves discovered on another planet. In March 2007, images from NASA's Mars Odyssey probe revealed 7 circular cavities on the flanks of the Martian volcano Asia Mons. They are thought to be the entrances to caverns formed by the collapse of underground lava flows. Eighth record, the largest Martian meteorite. An 18 kilograms Martian rock loosened by an asteroid collision about 3 million years ago hit Earth on October 3, 1962 near Zagami in Nigeria. She narrowly missed a farmer who found her in a 0.6 meters deep crater. Ninth record, the longest surviving rover on Mars. NASA's Opportunity rover had an operational life of 14 years and 136 days. He landed on Mars on January 25, 2004 and traveled 45.16 kilometers, the longest distance traveled in another world. Its last transmission was on June 10, 2018, and then a planetary dust storm put it on irreversible standby. Its twin, Spirit, also exceeded its expected lifespan of 90 days and survived until March 22, 2010. 10th record, the planet having received the most probes. As of January 6, 2020, 25 successful or at least partially successful robotic missions have reached Mars. They placed 14 orbiters around the red planet and launched 9 landers that at least partially completed their mission on the surface. Several other probes reached Mars' gravitational sphere of influence, but failed before transmitting data to us. 11th record, the fastest ground speed on Mars. NASA's Twin Spirit and Opportunity exploration rovers, which landed on Mars on January 4 and 25, 2004, had a top speed of 5 centimeters per second or 0.18 kilometers per hour. However, security software stopped them every few seconds in order to reassess the terrain and avoid any accidents. 12th record, the highest mountain in the solar system. The summit of Olympus Mons rises 25 kilometers above its base, almost 3 times the height of Everest above sea level. This shield volcano was formed by thousands of lava flows. It has a very gentle slope, and is 20 times as wide as it is high. And there you have it, you were able to discover 12 records concerning Mars. Thank you for watching and listening to this video. Don't forget to put a thumbs up, subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss the next videos. Goodbye. Keep the